Welcome back, thrill seekers and bad decision watchers. Today's video kicks off with a car that goes full-on gymnast after getting cut off by a clueless driver. A drunk driver thinks orange cones mean go faster and crashes straight into a work truck. Then there's Betty White. She's somehow riding shotgun in the back of someone's car. Don't ask, just watch and see for yourself. Hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and prepare to question reality.
Something related to both. You call them the faceless immortals. Contra, Wax said. Like Tennyson.
Gonna get over or what? You're a moron.
Did you see that? I kind of am. What? The car that was honking went around into this lane is behind us. And then the red SUV, whatever, pulled up. And then as that car drove past her, she threw a water bottle at the car. Oh, I do not want to be involved in that.
An accident, ain't you?
Current loop video is now locked.
You were so fucking lucky I wasn't beside you, dude. Come on.
Okay, this one you might get me. Okay. Boutonniere. B-O-U.
Oh, wow.
Wow,
He was
right
in
in
front of a
front of
cop. Ha,
Wow.
ha, ha, ha. And he's pulling him over. Yes. Works for me. Ha, 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 ha.
Yes.
That made my day.
Thanks for watching and have a great day.